it's not just about throwing the harness on the head, where it's like, especially with pups, you want them to be not excited. If I'm really excited, I want them to sit down. When the harness comes on, for them, they see its excitement because they know what's about to happen. It's like a very satisfying thing that's about to happen. Before that happens, it becomes tension. Everybody's just getting excited and want to go. So we want to eliminate excitement before excitement happens. So having calm like this is what we prefer. Different musher have different practice, how they want their dogs to be, how they prefer. And these guys have a natural drive to go, and we just need to contain that drive until it becomes really the big reward. So mentally it becomes a job for them before we go, to keep excitement low, no stress, no anxiety, no tension. There's some dogs that thrive on it, and there's some dogs that are just really put off by it. And it's like, oh gosh, before they go. They have to put up with this tension. So we don't want that. We try to eliminate that. It doesn't mean that 100% of the time we have calm dogs. We always have a few that they just really want to go, and you want to stop that before it becomes self-rewarding. Every harness has a different size for a different build. Well, there's general sizing, and there's various sizes, several different sizes for these guys. Green, 8.5. These are non-stop harness, made out of Norway. Beautiful company, beautiful design, beautiful comfort, padding, reflection tape, fabric, the padding inside, so prevent the rubbing on the coat after long duration of time. These are a basic design of an X-back harness, the X crosses. So these guys are very practical for us, these guys.